Can Quant really pump 10,000% and 100x up to $11,667? If this sounds interesting for you, then watch this video till the very end, give me a couple of minutes, and we will talk and discuss this question in this video. Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. If you also ask you the question, is this really a possible scenario, a 100x for Quant, then let's talk about this. But before we talk about this, if you're new on this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then go and subscribe, click on the notification bell, and you will always get a notification and never miss any of my new videos. So let's dive straight into this content. I mean, a 100x for any coin is definitely not easy, especially not for a coin like Quant. If you look at CoinMarketCap, you look at the market cap, it is right now at 1.3 billion, and the circulating supply is at around 83%. So the fully diluted market cap is at 1.6 billion. So therefore, a 100x would be something at the price of $110 right now, something between 133 to 160 billion US dollars. If you compare this and look at the market cap right now, then this is definitely something like Ethereum. I mean, the price of 11,000 is pretty high if you compare it to where Quant started and where Quant is right now. But as always, it is crypto, so never say never, and actually everything is possible. Right now, most coins are pretty low in the market cap if you compare it to last year and 2020. Like BNB and XRP Cardano, so this is definitely pretty low right now. So from this standpoint, I would definitely say, nope, this is not possible. But if a next bull run starts, who knows what happened? Can you say what then will happen? Probably not. If you look at the past, what happened to Dogecoin, to Shiba Inu, who knows what happened in the next year? So, write me in comments what you think. Is this a possible scenario, 100x? Is this price maybe the right price for Quant? But let's go back to the price where it's right now and look at some TA. Also, let's take a look at my beautiful painting I did 2 videos ago at Quant. So this is nothing I draw today. So go back in my last 2 videos about Quant, and then you can see that this painting I draw already a couple of weeks ago. And right now, if you look, it came exactly to this VWAP, came down again, like here. So it's actually a little bit lower than I painted here. Came over this previous high point here. So that is the breakout to the 7x6 Fibonacci level. Came down again. Actually, I thought it will stop and retest the golden pocket and maybe this VWAP or something in this area, in this previous resistance zone. Unfortunately, it came lower. It came to 99.3, and I just thought it came to 107, 105. So yeah, I was wrong, definitely. Now, what is the next step? So the next step could be a potential move to the upside, retest this Fibonacci level, the 786 Fibonacci level at 130. And if it can break this level, then the next step would something here in this red resistance box. But from the point it is trading right now, this could be a move something between 36 to 52%. Let's zoom in a little bit more. I will leave my painting here. So let's take a look on this daily candles. So here it found support at this moving average. And right now it is sitting exactly in the middle of the EMA ribbons. But unfortunately still under this VWAP. This VWAP seems to be like resistance for right now. This is this yellow line, just by the way. So if Quant can break this level above the VWAP at 111.6, with this daily candle, maybe the next daily candle, this should definitely be bullish, give a next move to the upside for Quant. If not, then I was definitely not right, not to say I was wrong, and probably where could we stop? So let's look at another Fibonacci retracement level. Look, it came exactly to this golden pocket. Here we have the 382 Fibonacci level, so it must break this level, definitely. So a retest from this golden pocket, the bearish scenario, is possible also at 90.9, the 7x6 Fibonacci level. It's also possible. I would definitely prefer if it would stop something in this area here, that it will not lose the EMA ribbons, otherwise they would get pretty tight and maybe flip into the red, like here. That would definitely not good for Quant. But time will tell us, and we will see. So write me in the comments, what do you think about my painting, about my theory? Is it possible that Quant will hit more than 11,000 US dollars, a 100x? Look here at this fixed range volume profile. The point of control, this red line here, is below, gives support for Quant, but this level must definitely hold. Otherwise, we see us here, and if we lose this level, we see us here. Not good. But if we can break this level, we see us here. So, guys, ladies, that's it for this video. If you're new, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Give me also a like. Would really appreciate that. And if you want to trade, just for experienced traders, claim up your mega bonus on different crypto exchanges like BitGet, Fimex, MEXC, OKX, and you will get different bonuses depending on your initial deposit. There are some deposit requirements. So yeah, check these links out. And hopefully we see us in the next video. So have a wonderful day. And little disclaimer at the end, this is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your research and never ever trust anybody except yourself because it's your money. Peace out. Namaste. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.